I'll just talk about the references. So Excel uses three types of references: relative referencing, and absolute referencing, and mixed referencing. So as you could see, relative referencing or referencing are used when you use formulas. Otherwise, you don't use the referencing. So as the name itself indicates, the cell address keep changing when you copy and paste the formulas, and so that happens with respect to the relative referencing. If it's an absolute referencing where you incorporate a dollar before the row or the column number, it does not change. So knowing about the relative and absolute referencing is very essential if you're going to work in formulas. So if you type the formula, if you're copying the formula and then pasting in different cells, if it's a relative referencing, it changes to the relative cell. So it's A1. When I copy the formula and change it to this cell, it changes to B1. When I move it here, it changes to C1. So whereas here, since the dollar sign is kind of included before the row and column number, so how do you incorporate a dollar sign? There is a shortcut key. Just press F4. If your mouse pointer is before A, just press an F4. You have a dollar sign. You don't have to click the formula bar and then type a dollar sign. So just press an F4. So it's a easy way of entering a dollar sign. And you also have mixed referencing. We see this when we are showing the demo. Mixed referencing is you could leave the row number as a relative, whereas the column number with a dollar. So it could be a mixed referencing.